If these walls could talk, they'd have nearly 300 years of stories to tell. Built by one of the founding families of the town, Upland has been part of the fabric of Sandwich's history since it was built in 1740. It has been lovingly cared for ever since. Nearly 4 acres, your own pond, a carriage house, all in the heart of the village. Uplands is ready for its next chapter. Maybe it could be yours. Hi, I'm Jack Cotton from Sotheby's International Realty here in Sandwich on Cape Cod. Properties like Uplands don't wait around. Call us today and come and visit 111 Main Street here in Sandwich.